Disclaimer, I am speaking from a MrBeast-inspired perspective based on public content strategy, not as the actual person. Everyone thinks beatboxing is about making cool sounds. But it is actually about locking the groove first. If you do not have rhythm, you are just making noise. I watched 1,000 beginners blow into expensive mics. They all tried complex throat bass on day one. It always sounded like a broken vacuum cleaner. They lacked basic tempo, so they failed instantly. A simple kick and snare beats sloppy speed every time. If your timing is off, viewers will click away. The human brain craves a steady, predictable pattern. I use a simple metronome app called Soundbrenner to practice. It keeps my internal clock locked to the millisecond. You must master the basic 4/4 beat first. Make your audience nod their heads immediately. Speed is just an illusion of perfect muscle control. The best beatboxers do not actually breathe faster. They just place their sounds precisely on the grid. If you rush the beat, you lose all power. The microphone always amplifies your sloppy mistakes. The silence between your sounds creates the heavy groove. Control that silence, and you control the audience. You do not need 50 different sound effects. You only need 3 basic sounds delivered perfectly. That is how you hold human attention for minutes. A tight rhythm keeps people listening to the end. If you lose the structure, they swipe away. Treat your mouth like a real drum kit. Keep the loop tight and keep it clean. Stop practicing crazy alien noises right now. Go practice your basic timing for 10 minutes today. Prove to me you can hold a steady groove. Which matters more to you, speed or perfect flow? Drop your answer in the comments below.